Hello everyone, this is Aniket Zadav, a student of PCET's Nutan Maharashtra Institute of Engineering and Technology. Right now, I'm placed in Capgemini, and to be honest, all the credit goes to the professors of my computer department, and second and the most important, the training and placement cell of my college, that is TNP. The training and placement cell of my college played a huge role in this process, right from arranging training sessions through campus credentials, which played a huge role in the whole process. Also, mock interviews were arranged from time to time. We also got a chance to interact with industrialists through various webinars, which indulge the knowledge among every individual, and at the same time, it made us think what are the gray areas that we must focus as engineers in order to fulfill the industrial requirements. Many mock interviews and mock tests were conducted through various platforms, which helped us to re-evaluate ourselves and re-strategize our further process. And not to forget, the training and placement cell of my college gives an equal opportunity to all students to work for the training and placement cell as a volunteer. As a volunteer, you get a huge exposure as you interact with various top management HRs and the panel members of various MNCs. And make a point that these people have a huge experience of corporate sector, and directly or indirectly it benefits you. TNP boost up your confidence. It brings out the original personality, the hidden personality that each one of you have. So, if you are part of PCET group or Nutan group, then you are quite lucky enough. And I assure you that if you are part of this group, try TNP. It will help you to the great extent. So, grab every opportunity that the college offers you. And as a friend in engineering, focus more on developing your skills rather than the education, because knowledge can be gained at each stage of life, but the skills which are actually required for industries should be acquired in these 4 years of engineering. So on this note, I would like to conclude my experience. Thank you.
Forever